Tired of digging through your wallet every time you need to pay? In this video, we'll show you how to effortlessly connect your Wells Fargo card to Apple Pay, turning your iPhone or Apple Watch into your new favorite payment method. Let's get started. First, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's usually a white icon with colorful card images. Tap to open it. If you already have cards in your wallet, you'll see them displayed here. To add your Wells Fargo card, look for the plus sign, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap the plus sign. This will initiate the process of adding a new card to your Apple Wallet. You'll see a few options here. Select debit or credit card. Now, your iPhone will prompt you to scan your Wells Fargo card using your camera position your card within the frame on the screen. The app will automatically capture the card details. If the scan doesn't work, don't worry, you can manually enter your card details by tapping the Enter Card Details manually option at the bottom. Carefully fill in your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code, which is the 3-digit security code on the back of your card. Next, you'll need to agree to the Wells Fargo terms and conditions. Read through them, then tap Agree at the bottom of the screen. Your card will now be activated with Wells Fargo. You might be asked to verify your identity through a text message or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, your Wells Fargo card is now successfully added to your Apple Wallet. You can now use it to make contactless payments at any store that accepts Apple Pay. Enjoy the convenience of paying with your iPhone or Apple Watch. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.